welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Ducard V7 Pro Sonic Toothbrush. Yep, this is a electronic sonic toothbrush. Removes 10 times more plaque than just a regular toothbrush, and it improves your gum health as well. Let's look at some of the features here on the side of the box. As you can see, 40,000 strokes per minute. It has a 60-day battery life. It has 4 different modes of brushing, 3 different intensity settings, has a built-in 2-minute smart timer, which is the amount of time you're supposed to brush your teeth for, 2 minutes. There are 9 brush heads included in here so that they will last you a very, very long time. And as you would expect with any electronic toothbrush, it is waterproof. And on the back you see the V7 Pro Sonic toothbrush, and they use DuPont nylon with German PEDX spiral filaments to make sure that the brush heads are a high quality brush head. So let's get this guy open so you can see what comes in the box. And here we go. You can see you got the manual here, so you'll know how to use it properly. All your instructions are there. Got a little quick guide here on how to lock and unlock the toothbrush. You've got all those toothbrush heads in here, as well as a charging cord. Now there's a charging cord right there, you can see. Plugs in on the end. And this just plugs into any standard USB charger you have. So any USB charger you have lying around, you can plug it into that, or even into your computer to power it up and charge it up. And then this is the toothbrush itself. Let's take it out of there. You can see the brush head does have that nice protective cover that you can put on it when you're not using it. And here's the brush head itself. You can sort of see the shape of it. And nice bristles. So it's probably more on the soft side, as most sonic toothbrushes are. And then this is the toothbrush itself. It's very small, round wise. It's not really too thick, so it's kind of good. Sits in your hand. Very lightweight. Very, very lightweight. You've got your power button. This is probably your mode button, or maybe one of those is going to be for intensity. Probably the power is also to change the intensity, I'm guessing, and this is probably to change the mode. You've got your mode indicators here: clean, massage, white, and sensitive. And then I don't know if you can see right there, there's 3 little, those are probably going to be LEDs to indicate the power. And then here on the bottom, this is where you're going to plug it in with that plug to charge it up, so it's good to go. On the back here, you've got a little indicator for how you lock and unlock the brush head. So that's going to be unlock, and then that's going to be lock. And yeah, and it's, you can see here, it's not like smooth round. It's kind of more of a, has multifaceted flat sides to provide the round. I like that because that's better for grip. So that's kind of cool too. Anyway, that is everything that comes in the box. You get those brush heads, the charging cord, the handle, the brush heads on there, and your instruction manual. And yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you want to keep up with future product reviews, favorite this playlist, or subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. We'll have a link to this product on Amazon down in the description, and I will in the future have the link to a full demo and review video, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.